When signed into your Google account on your browser, you have the ability to export EBSCO eBook pages to your Google Drive as a PDF to read or share at a later time. In this tutorial, we'll show you how you can take advantage of this feature. Before beginning your research, go to Google's homepage on your web browser and sign in to your Google account. Log in to your institution's EBSCO eBooks collection and search for an eBook of interest. When you found an eBook you'd like to read, click a full-text link to read it in the viewer. Using the table of contents on the left, find a chapter that is useful to your research. Once you've found a section you'd like to export, click Google Drive in the Tools menu. Please note, you may need to first click the ellipses to show the Google Drive button in the menu. Select the page range you would like to export. You can select the current page, a custom range, or the chapter or section. If the eBook includes a publisher-enforced page limit, the number of pages available to export is displayed. After making your selection, click Export. Click Allow to authorize EBSCO to view and manage files in your Google Drive. Note, because Google Authentication opens in a new window, you may need to temporarily allow pop-up windows on your browser in order to allow EBSCO to access your Google Drive. You'll receive confirmation that the document has been saved to your Google account. From the Google homepage, open Google Drive to find your document. It will be saved in a folder named EBSCO, and the PDF will be named using the title of the eBook you were viewing. Double-click the document to view or edit. You can use Google Drive's selection of tools to manage your saved eBook pages. If at any time you wish to view the complete online help system, click the Help link at the top right of your screen.